A is for airplane flying so high. B is for butterfly in the sky. C is for car zooming down the street. D is for drum with a steady beat. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog hopping along. G is for guitar strumming a tune. H is for hat worn in June. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jelly, wobbly and bold. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for leaf on the tree. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, cozy and tight. O is for owl, hooting with might. P is for pizza, a delicious bite. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun, bright in the sky. T is for train, whistling by. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, sweet as a sigh. W is for whale, swimming by. X is for xylophone, notes flying high. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zoo, where animals are found. Now we've sung our ABCs. Join in again, if you please.